So at 5.6 on my cell phone, this is what it looks like. So here we're seeing it for the first time through our water drop microscope. So here's on 5.6. LM 393N. Zero one two nine V12 9245 V1. Sorry, I have a piece of plastic and a punch, and I'm going to just punch a hole like that. And now I am going to glue that and that together. So the next hole must be there. Is our completed water drop microscope. It's just pieces of plastic glued together, and the important part of it is the water drop that one adds down that onto each of those holes. If you want to use, I've made 2 microscopes. This is our water drop microscope. Dip my finger and put 1 drop. Now I can see there's a drop there. Magnified 5.5 times by my cell phone. Now let's try and look at the same thing. So here's on 5.6. LM 393N. Zero one two nine V12 9245 V1. So here is our completed microscope. All we did was we dipped our finger in water and put a drop there onto flavor, Nachi flavor. On our phone, that is 3.1 magnification. Looking through our microscope through the water droplet, we're spelling sachets, S-A-C-H-E-T-S, stroke S-A-K-K-I-E-S, sakkies or small sacks in Afrikaans. That is at 4.3 magnification. There's what we were looking at, sachets or sakis.